The permanent further development of SC papers is the result of the partnership between the supplier and the paper industry. The optimal matching of furnish, sheet forming, pressing, machine clothing, and calendaring has made possible a significant improvement in production and quality with justifiable costs. For SC paper grades, a two-sided balanced drainage of the sheet is important. This leads to less two-sidedness. The Duoformer TQV, as part of the One Platform concept, offers an efficient tool for the optimal adaptation of the sheet forming conditions. The new MasterJet 2G headbox hydraulic system is a precisely tuned system of turbulence generator, nozzle geometry, and lamellas. With the help of module jet dilution technology, the CD basis weight profile is controlled precisely in sections, thereby achieving constant and excellent basis weight profiles. With the four-fold felted tandem Nitcoflex press system, Voigt guarantees the production of absolutely symmetrical SC papers. Drynesses of more than 50% after the press become commonplace with this. The most important thing in the press section is to achieve the best possible dryness after the press. This is the prerequisite for high strength, which results in a lower number of sheet breaks. For the most demanding paper group, SCA papers, a third press nib has been developed. This smoothing press serves primarily not for dewatering, but for achieving a better based paper structure with respect to roughness and porosity. In the dryer section, the remaining water must be evaporated by the supply of thermal energy. For this purpose, the paper web is led over drying cylinders that are internally heated by steam. At the end of the drying process, the paper has a residual moisture of 2 to 5%. The demands on the smoothness and gloss of SC papers are very high. Good base paper properties form the prerequisite for gentle calendaring. With the Janus Mark II technology, SC papers can today be calendared online with virtually SCA character. Besides the parameters of pressure and temperature, this paper grade is supplied with steam through several steam blow boxes. With the Sirius, the paper is wound up in a gentle and controlled manner from the core to the periphery. It is used particularly for surface-sensitive papers and large winding diameters, but is also suitable for virtually any application up to speeds of 2,500 meters per minute. Rewind diameters of 4,500 millimeters and roll weights up to 150 tons are possible. On reaching the full diameter, the reel spool is automatically changed. The Varitop winds on the center drum principle and therefore offers the ideal solution for all grades produced in the paper industry. It is therefore suitable in particular for the production of extremely heavy finished rolls and meets the highest demands on quality and productivity. Paper is optimally wound by the new high-speed winding system of the Varitop. The twister ensures that the rolls are wrapped in a way that offers good protection against mechanical and climatic effects. This guarantees a constantly high quality of the supplied paper roll. The twister operates on the patented spiral winding principle. The rolls, with a maximum width of 4.5 meters, are wrapped so that they are stable and protected against the atmosphere with just one single sheet of 500 millimeter wide wrapping paper. Qualitatively, SC paper has in the course of the past 20 years very much approached the level of coated LWC papers, and so very high demands are made on opacity, gloss, and the surface quality for excellent photographic reproduction. With this paper machine from Voigt, the required quality demands can be met economically and cost-effectively. The calendaring concept is determined by the number of hot nips and the speed. Above all, for very smooth SCA and SCA Plus papers, the calendaring objectives cannot be reached at every speed, even when using the 8 hot nips of a 10-roll stack. If the paper machine speed is significantly higher than the maximum possible calendaring speed, online calendaring is impossible. In this case, an offline calendar is installed. For SCA Plus papers, which place the highest demands on smoothness and gloss, offline calendaring with the Janus Mark II calendar is state-of-the-art. To be able to utilize the full capacity of the paper machine, we recommend installing a second calendaring stage.